please sign in. So welcome victory. So in this place you scroll down, go to perform simple task, and you see the number of tasks that are available. So most recent, and this one is highest pay. So let's check out most recent. Say true registration, new users only. Facebook like 8 Naira. Okay, I just see this, review this job and see what they have for us. Job details. Facebook, what is expected from your worker, you check. Click the link below and like the picture. Require proof that task was finished. Your Facebook name, username, your Facebook name or username. So you put your proof here, you screenshots and then upload your proof here. And in this place you put your Facebook username, your first upload, second upload, and up to third. So let's see if we can quickly do this. We click the link, it's taking us there. It's taking us there. What we are just asked to do, just like, so we're asked to like the picture. You can see a lot of people are commenting. So by the time you just come to this place and you comment and like, but on this place you have to sign in. So you comment and like, then what you just need to do, just screenshot, make a screenshot like this, something of this nature. Then you go back and say okay, my proof. Here you write your Facebook name, your proof, you go to your proof, click in, then you come to your image anywhere and get your screenshots. Come to your image, this is a screenshot we just made, and you upload it. You see, so you do the same thing to all and submit your proof. So if you submit your proof, after they have reviewed your tax, then you will be credited. If you are credited, then you go to your wallet, then work fund, you see your credit alert here, and whenever you want to withdraw, you can withdraw your money here. So performing the tax on this very platform is very, very simple and easy. I encourage you to join, try, use your free time, use your data, don't waste your data on just viewing people profiles. Use your data and earn money freely from the comfort of your bedroom. So please, I'll be stopping here today. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will be able to reach you immediately. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.